Thank you so much.
I think
Thank you so much.
Yes, 17 years.
So much. Thank you so much.
Do good. God is with us. God is with us. Thank you so much. Take over. This is an important press conference for me personally. A lot of water under the bridge. I have suffered so much for 17 long years. I never retaliated. I never rebutted. I distanced myself from the courts only for the hundreds of hearings that I have had to attend, humiliating myself and feeling so disturbed. Today I remember my late mother. Mom must be happy. I told Mom I didn't do it. But she was constantly pressured. She's no longer here to enjoy this beautiful day. I think it would be in the fitness of things that we only account for ourselves. We are not answerable for anyone else. And that court judgment is specifically for me in the content of us reading the judgment with respect to my case.
This chapter is closed. Of course, CBI has a right to challenge the order before the Supreme Court. Whether or not they'll avail of it is another question. But the Honorable High Court has found her to be not involved in any of the charges that she was accused of. As on date, that's the status.
But what about the affected candidates? Will they be reinstated, the so-called tainted?
That was already decided by the high-level committee. So that was only the criminal culpability part was an issue because this was a criminal case. So only that was an issue here. So that has been decided. The taintedness and all of that had already been decided. It was an issue that had been closed long ago. So at this moment, this case was restricted only to the criminal culpability.
It was the High Court itself which ordered to file FIR by the CBI. So is it the order going against the High Court itself?
See, there's a difference between asking the CBI to investigate and to say that you find her guilty. There's a difference between that. CBI had only been asked to investigate. Now, the charge sheet that they filed was flawed, and therefore the court held that case is not made out against her based on the charge sheet that they filed.